At the center of CarePeeps is our enhanced voice engine. It makes data entry like having a conversation. There are no commands to memorize, just talk like you're on the phone. Let's start with medicines to show how it works. In this case, medicines is yellow, indicating CarePeeps is waiting for an entry. CarePeeps is not always listening. Just tap the voice activation button to get started. The voice entry box pops up with a list of medicines to be taken. These would have been the medicines that you would have entered as part of your medicines reminder. In this case, we're using 5 of the most common ones to demonstrate that CarePeeps can understand them. Just say, I took atorvastatin, levothyroxine, gabapentin, metformin, and tramadol. CarePeeps will list the names that it understood, and you just need to tap Save to confirm. Don't worry if CarePeeps did not understand you. After 3 attempts, a manual entry box will pop up. Medicines is now clear because the current dose has been taken, and the next one is not expected until late evening. Vitals works in much the same way. First, we can see that Vitals is yellow, indicating an entry is due. Next, take your measurement. In this case, we're going to use blood pressure. Then tap the Vitals voice button to enter it. The voice entry box will pop up and is now listening. Just say, my blood pressure is up again, it is 130/80. CarePeeps will select the right information and capture it. All you have to do is tap Save, and then CarePeeps will chart it for future use. Your blood pressure entry is complete, and no more are expected today, so the Vitals box is now green. Exercise, diet, and symptoms record entries as a simple diary. Just tap the voice button and tell CarePeeps what you ate, and it will make an entry. The voice box let you know CarePeeps is listening. Just say what you ate, like, I had eggs for breakfast. And CarePeeps will record it. Just tap Save. We hope you find CarePeeps a valuable addition to your family caregiving group.